Hi students! Welcome to a new video tutorial on word processing. In this lesson, we will see how to add structure to a Word document for a more professional look. Let us start by looking at the contents of today's lesson. In this video lesson, we will learn about the use of the Tab key for alignment, see how to position text with the Tab key. We will also demonstrate how to apply the indent buttons for spacing. We will then test our knowledge with a quick test, and we will wrap up with a recap. What is alignment? Alignment has to do with adjusting something so that it is in the right place. When used to describe text, alignment often refers to the arrangement of text relative to the margin. That is how they appear on a page. The four common types of alignment when dealing with text placement are left, center, right, and justified. However, aligning text does not only imply their vertical arrangement relative to the margin. Text can also be aligned with respect to their relative positions. This means that we can decide how far a piece of text is beside another. If you look at an electricity bill, you will find that there is a structure between different elements. The name is beautifully aligned some distance away from the date. The address lines are perfectly located right under the name. Let's see how we can achieve this result. One of the most common mistakes that people make while formatting a document in Word is to use the space bar to align text. This is a demonstration. This results in unequal spacing between words. Using tabs will ensure that your text is perfectly aligned. Let's have a look at the previous alignment exercise carried out using the Tab button. As you can see, all the figures are placed directly under each other when we use the Tab button for alignment. Tab is used to format a paragraph by aligning text. After the Tab key is pressed, the cursor moves ½ inch to the right. Let's examine how to position text with the Tab key in a Word document. Suppose you have to create a list of students and group them according to their classes. One column is for the names of the students and another for the class. Let's press the Tab key once to indicate those students informed to blue. Press the Tab key twice to indicate those informed to yellow. And let's press the Tab key 3 times to group students who belong to form to green. Now, another feature of Microsoft Word used to add structure to a document is called the indent. An indent is the distance between a paragraph and a margin. A first-line indent is a common way to signal the start of a new paragraph. To perform an indent operation, that is, create an empty space at the beginning, select the line of text or paragraph to be indented. From the Home tab, Paragraph Group, click the Increase Indent button. Conversely, the indent can be decreased by clicking on Decrease Indent button. Now, let us do a quick test to check how well you have understood today's lesson. For each question, you will have around 3 seconds to choose the right answer. Here comes the first question. In Microsoft Word, the Tab key is used to delete text. True or false? This is false. The Tab key is used for text alignment, not for erasing characters. Question number 2. The space bar does not align text perfectly. True or false? This is true. Inserting spaces does not guarantee perfect alignment. Rather, the Tab key is used for this purpose. Number 3. Pressing the Tab key moves the cursor ½ inch to the left. True or false? This is false. Pressing the Tab key moves the cursor ½ inch to the right, not to the left. Number 4. An indent can be used to mark the beginning of a new paragraph. True or false? This is true. The first line of a new paragraph is normally indented by hitting the Tab key. Number 5. The Decrease Indent button places text further away from the margin. True or false? This is false. The Decrease Indent button reverses the operation of the Increase Indent button and moves the text to the left each time it is pressed. Well, that was our last question. I am sure you have got all the answers correct. Now it is time for a quick recap of what we have learned today. We saw that tabs are a paragraph formatting feature used to align text. When a Tab key is pressed, the cursor moves ½ inch to the right. We also looked at the indent buttons. An indent is the distance between a paragraph and a margin. The Increase Indent button moves the text further away from the margin, while the Decrease Indent button moves the text closer to the margin. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you very much.